Here's my Turbo 400 transmission, built by the guys at Norwood Automatics. It's full manualised, forward pattern valve body, should handle quite a bit of stick, it's got all the good fruit. Paired it up with a custom torque converter with about a 3000 stall. This can only mean one thing. Hell yeah. I just got this package from the Muscle Garage, the maker of tough mounts. Got my cross member. It's a Th400 to VT to VZ Commodore. Turbo 400 engine mount, transmission mount, and a set of their Builder Series LS to VT to VZ Commodore. Should suit the T400 nicely. Can't wait to get it in the car. Cheers. I use this RTS flex plate and adapter with a set of ARP bolts that, along with the tough mounts, we can bolt the T400 straight into the car. No modifications needed. Bolt straight in and fits in the tunnel. I use this trans cooler. It's an Aeroflow with -10 O-ring fittings. It's basically the biggest cooler I could get. For a shifter to control my full manualised Turbo 400, I went with the B&M Stealth Pro Ratchet shifter. It looks really nice in the VX, and I like the way it feels. It's real solid shifts, and it just feels nice in your hand. Another part of the puzzle for Almstlegal. Oh, yoke, no egg. Once I got the yoke, then it was time to measure up for the Driveshaft. So I sent the measurements away to the guys at Hardy Splicer. And within a couple of weeks, they had the custom-made shaft ready to go in the car. Some more work on Almstlegal burnout car today. New tie rod replaced. Old one was knackered. All sorting out the shifter. Getting that all ready to install. And resealed the diff. Had the pinion seal leaking and one of the axle seals, so we just did a all reseal, quick repair, and she's ready to go back in the car. Yeah, we're just about to fire it up and hear this beast run for the first time in over a year. Fuck, I'm keen. Let's get it.